and welcome to the Family Day Trippers. I'm George Wheeler and we are here at Alton Towers Fireworks for 2 days, Saturday the 5th and Sunday the 6th of November. Today is Saturday the 5th and we are standing in front of Nemesis, our first ride of the day. This will be the last weekend of operation before it goes for a 1-year refurb. And we're going to get on here first. This won't be for the last time though, because we'll definitely do it in the dark tonight. And also we'll do it tomorrow, where hopefully we'll see a few celebrities. So that's the plan for this weekend. But first, we're off on Nemesis. Just been on Nemesis, one of our final times before the refurb. Boy oh boy, new number one! New number one! Oh, that was brilliant. So fast, so smooth, and we were on the 4th row back, so it was a good mix between the intensity of the back and the smoothness of the front. Oh, just brilliant. Oh, I got blooming water dropped on the lens. But what, just brilliant. I don't know what the plan is next, but you'll see some off-road shots or whatever's next, and you'll see my thoughts and opinions afterwards.
All right, George.
We're in X sector riding Oblivion because everything in Dark Forest is 40 to 50 minutes and Oblivion is walk on. So might as well do this, then my dad and Shane can do Smiler fast, not fast, but sorry, single rider then. So I'll see you after Oblivion after some off-road shots. Just been on Oblivion. And oh, what a ride that was, Shane. What do you think?
One drop wonder, brilliant.
Oh, brilliant. Such force at the bottom of that drop, brilliant. I'm not sure what we're going to do next. I think my dad and Shane might go on Smiler single rider style. Let's do it. Single rider on the Smiler. How was that for you, Shane?
10-minute queue.
Lovely, lovely.
60-minute advertise. Can't complain.
Single rider, the joys of it. We've just been on Hex, and boy oh boy, what a ride that was. Really good pre-shows, and really good ride experience. Really disorientating being a madhouse, but yeah, good fun. Anyway, now heading into Woodcutter's Bar and Grill for some lunch. Right, so we've just had some lunch from the Woodcutter's Bar. Most of us had the barbecue ribs. They were very, very nice. I mean, they were barbecuey. Lovely jacket spud I had with it, because you get a choice of jacket spud and chips. I had the jacket spud, and then Jane had the gammon steak with jacket spud and peas, which Jane thoroughly enjoyed as well. Now we're heading for a little stroll over to Wicker Man, which is on 65 minutes, and you know what we said earlier, it's quite quiet for fireworks and also the queue times are quite short. Well, imagine that's just completely gone to another continent, because let's be honest, it has. It's really busy. Everything's like 30 minutes plus, so 13's down because it's doing the same thing it did last year, where if there's like a spit of rain it's got to shut down. But yeah, so our options were, because of Woodcutter's Bar, you know where that is in Alton Towers, either we do Rita or Wicker Man are the two closest. So we've decided for Wicker Man. See you after some off-road shots. Wicker Man, and what a ride it was. So fast, wasn't it, Shane? Oh, it's going again now, Shane. There we go. It had stopped to top the lift, and I thought we just got in before it broke down, but in actual fact, it is absolutely fine. But yes, very fast. Even on the pre-lift section, flying through, they're pushed into the edge of our chairs. Boy, oh boy, what a ride that was. I don't know where we're going next, but train, thank you. I'm sure you'll see from the off-road shots. So, see you over there. Right, we've just been on Congo River Rapids, and well, that's the best rapids ride we've had for a long, long time. Boy, oh boy, was that a good ride? Because we actually got wet. We had to jump up. I am quite wet.
No, you didn't.
No, my dad did.
No standing.
No, oh yeah, no standing. But yeah, some of those waves were really turned up. That was a perfectly good rapids, but what would make it even better is if they just turned those waterfalls on, you know. But it is what it is. Anyway, next, I'm not sure where we're going to go, but whatever it is, we'll see some off-road shots and my after-thoughts and opinions. Right, so we've just done the Runaway Mine train. That was a very good ride, nice and fast, nice and intense as you follow the Congo River Rapids round. Now we're in the queue for Wicker Man for the last time today.
Wicker Man is still open for worship, but due to weather conditions may be uncomfortable to experience.
Oh, well that's good to know.
If you do not wish to proceed with the ritual, please stand aside.
Mate, shut up. Come on, I'm trying to do vlogging. Yes, brilliant. Right, brilliant, right. So we just on Wicker Man, and we should be out of this queue by about 6:10, in it, boy. Well, we should be off the road by 6:30. It means we may miss the drone show for our viewers, but if it means we get on Wicker Man, oh well. We may catch a little bit of the drone show, but obviously we are here for the fireworks, so if there's no drone show highlights, all our apologies from the Family Day Trippers team here for that. Anyway, I'll see you after Wicker Man. Welcome to our second day here from Alton Towers on fireworks weekend. Last night we had some brilliant night rides. Had 3 night rides, it's the most night rides we've ever had here, and overall had a brilliant night, although we didn't catch much of the fireworks due to a rather long queue on Wicker Man. What we did catch of them were very, very good. But today the plan is we're heading down to Dark Forest to do Rita and hopefully 13 if it opens, but if not, it's not the end of the world. But hopefully we'll have another good day here today, and I'll see you after 13 or Rita.
Before you knock off the vlog there, what did you think of Nemesis in the Dark?
Oh yeah, we may have forgotten to do some vlogs last night. Because we cracked on with the night rides a little bit, so I'll give you a rundown of last night. So to start with, so as you know, we went on Wicker Man for a night ride. I did the vlog before that, and Wicker Man as a night ride was very good, very fast, extremely fast, because it rained while we were in the queue line, so that just lubricated the track nicely, and it was absolutely flying. We were only the 4th row, God knows what it had been like on the back row. Then we did Nemesis, and boy oh boy was that fast. And as a night ride, that is definitely my new #1 now. Definitely new #1.
Talking of Wicker Man, what made Wicker Man so special?
Because the fireworks started as we were on Wicker Man, and oh wow, what an experience that was.
And what did you say about that?
Not the best coaster in the world, but the most interesting ride I've ever had on a coaster in the world. Because of the firework going off while we were on there. Galactica was not even boring, it was very interesting as a night ride. So much better than the day, and it actually had some thrill to it because it was really dark. Not much lighting around the Galactica track at all. But yeah, that was last night. Hopefully you'll see a couple of shots as I was saying that. And now off to Dark Forest. I'll see you after over 13 or Rita. We've just been on 13, and what a ride that was, I have to say. Really, really good, really fast, and we were on the front row as well. So what that meant was those drops on the front row are completely different to what they are further back. You can really see over them, and thank you, Rita. You can really see over them, and it's just a completely different experience, I personally think. And next, our plan is going on Rita, stay in the Dark Forest. This is our last major coaster we need to do today, and then we've done all the major coasters here at Alton Towers. But yeah, overall really good ride on 13. See you after some off-road shots of Rita. Right, we've just been on Rita. We had a really good ride, another front row, so 2 front rows to start the day off. Absolutely brilliant. Could not get any better. Really smooth, really forceful. I'm not sure. And we're heading to X Sector next, probably to do either Oblivion or Smiler. So I'll see you over there after some off-road shots. So my dad and Shane have just been on Smiler. You were in a single rider, but unfortunately this time you had to wait a little bit longer, didn't you?
There was a 15-minute advertised queue. We got on it in 20, so
Not bad. Just been on Nemesis, and something better even happened. I just met and had a chat and photo with Sean Sambrook.
Oh,
Theme Park Worldwide, yes, to insert the photo. Oh, it was a pleasure to meet him, really lovely guy, and Charlotte also really lovely. Really nice to meet them. I can't believe I finally done it. I've wanted to meet them for a long time now, ever since I started coming to theme parks and vlogging, because he really is a brilliant vlogger, and hopefully, you never know, one day we might be as big as him. And yeah, but we had a really good ride on Nemesis. On the front row, we queued up for it. Really good, can't get any better really. Really good, because that might be the final time before it has its retrack. Galactica's on 90 minutes. Not a chance. Anyway, right, so new plan. We're gonna do Wicker Man, which is on a 55-minute wait, because we are not queuing 200 minutes for Galactica. Not a chance. Right, we've just been on Wicker Man, 3rd time in our overall trip. Really, really good ride, nice and fast. We were exactly mid-train in row 6. But yeah, really good, really fast, and overall, just enjoyed it. Really, really good. We've had absolutely brilliant 2 days. 3 night rides last night, which is absolutely brilliant considering it was the sell-out day of the fireworks weekend yesterday. We got lots of rides yesterday. Even though we were let down by a slightly slow lunch service, which took 2 hours and probably should have took about an hour, but so be it. We still got lots done. We had a slightly slower paced day today, not quite so many rides, but still, it was a good enough day. Got a decent amount done, and yeah, that's pretty much. We saw a bit of the fireworks. Admittedly, we could have seen a bit more, but getting the night rides a bit more important this year, as we saw the fireworks last year. But other than that, I don't really have much to say. I think we've consolidated pretty well there. So thank you for watching. I've been George Wheeler, your host, Shane O'Toole behind the camera and editing, and I'll see you again next time. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like, as it helps push the content to wider audiences. If you haven't already, subscribe and join the Family Day Trippers family, so you know when all the latest videos will be coming out, and make sure to hit that bell. And finally, if you have a question, want to say hi, or make a suggestion, please post it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!